model we have here. And what we want to do is extract the information that we want. Now, normally you get the BIM person or the architect, structural engineer to extract this for you. You might not have your own Revit plugin, or you might not want to be spending time doing this, but it's fairly simple for them to go to view here, and there's a list of schedules. Pull them, schedule quantities, and within schedule quantities, as a lot of these might not have any data against them in the model, we want to pick out the items that are significant. So basically, we want to fill out our kind of summary impact information requirements. Bear with me a sec, Revit's quite a big beast, so does slow down the computer a bit. Yeah, as I was showing you before, we're looking for our foundation systems, our framing, so your beams and your columns, your upper floors, your ground floor wants to be included in your structure, your roof structure, stairs and ramps, external walls, windows, internal walls and partitions, and internal doors. And landscaping there. That's the key items that we want. So our sort of 10, 15 templates to summarize overall impacts for quantities for these. So within our schedules in Revit, we're looking for things like our floors here, floor schedule. You go, okay. And there's all sorts of information that you can pull from here. What we really want is the area or volume, but what I often do is just select everything. Ooh. And I'll tidy it up in the export later. Structural behavior, class, grade. Like most of all of this is probably pretty irrelevant for what we need, but I'll pull it out of the model. So when you see data against the lines, they start to make a bit more sense. Here you see actually the area was one of those first items. We have floor construction there. I scroll along here. Here's the thickness. That is slabs. Actually, some of them are metal. So we've got hollow concrete core here, and then a metal type slab there. Sorry, metal floor, composite probably there. Overall volume might be useful, and that's it. So what I can do here is to go export. Reports and schedule. Let's just put it on my desktop for now. And it gets exported as a text file. So did it arrive there? Yeah, there's a floor schedule. So it's a text file, which isn't that useful as it is, but you can easily drop it into Excel. So I will open up an Excel. Just pull up this one, maybe it will drop it into a new tab here. And we see that's looking a bit more useful now. And what it's the case of doing